You guys are looking wide awake. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlog. Today, boys, we're going on a drive with the homies, with the boys, the crew, and there's a car that's coming on the drive that when I sell the Veyron, I think I might buy. We're back. Jeez. There's nothing like an event so early in the morning. We're late, boys, but we're making up time. I don't know how to quite say this. I'm supposed to be over there, but in my haste and my acceleration, we missed the turn. Josh, if you're watching today's video, this is why we're late. I'm sorry. I have no one to blame but myself. Oh, jeez. We're very late. Oh, we got flashing lights. It's either me or the Mercedes. The Mercedes just waved at me. If it's me, I am not going to be happy because that Mercedes is doing like $120. Oh gosh, my heart is racing. Okay, we're good. Bro, that Mercedes, kingdom come. A quick moment of silence for the lost soldier. Glad it wasn't us though. Wait a second, no way! Absolutely no way! Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Rich Close in the Ford GT, and that's Mikey. Oh, he's got his Bugatti right there. I don't know if there's a crazier looking car on the road than the new Ford GT. Look at those two next to each other. They look so sick. It looks so insane. They just crossed 100 miles on this GT. It's like brand spanking new. Wow. This combination looks so sick. Ford GT, SV Roadster, and a stupid Tesla. Are you kidding me? This guy, Rich, never ceases to amaze me. At the gas station, you're like, I drive really slow. I don't think I'll be able to keep up. Yeah, that's right. Look at that smug smile. He doesn't even know what to say. He was in first place. I'm full sending in a Lamborghini Aventador. I can't even keep up with the Ford GT.
Well, you know, it's that Ford American power.
Oh, wow. SV Roadster right here. Josh, it accentuates the beard. I think you need a Lambo.
Thank you.
Maybe?
Yeah. Boy,
Maybe.
That's a lot of Lambo, dude.
That's a lot of Lambo. The Park City socialites are not happy right now. This is the loudest Aventador I've ever heard in my entire life. It is a quiet Sunday morning. They're not happy. Well, somehow, some way, it is my lucky day. I'm hopping in the Ford GT with Rich, which means Luke. It's your lucky day.
This is a bad idea, James.
It's a very bad idea. And then we got Josh over here living thug life right now. This guy gets a Lambo. He's not the same Josh we used to know and love.
That's right, kids.
The sunglasses, the golden beard.
Yep, keep working hard, kids. Keep working hard. You can have stuff like this.
Motivational speeches with Josh. Coming to the channel sooner than you think. I think it's safe to say this is the loudest single Aventador in the entire world, and somehow Josh is driving it, which makes it,
even louder!
Yes, yeah, very loud personality. Let's hear Josh. That exhaust is so crazy. This Aventador sounds so mean in motion. The new Ford GT is one of the coolest designs ever. I love the butterfly doors and of course the flying buttress as well. Now Rich, you gotta go easy on me, bro. We can't drive like you did on the way up.
I promise.
Okay. Oh, it's a tight squeeze. We're gonna be up close and personal today. Oh, I love the smell of a brand new GT. Wait, 78 miles?
78 miles.
78 miles. This thing is brand spanking new. All the Alcantara, all the matte carbon fiber. This thing is so sick. These four cars together are so dope, but this Ford GT is just next level technology. Aventador Coupe, that might be the last time you ever see it in one piece because Luke has never driven it before, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I don't think there's a cooler view out the side rear mirror than that right there. That side intake, such a crazy view. Like I said earlier, Rich is gonna drive very gingerly, right? Very gingerly. We're not gonna meet the Utah Highway Patrol. At least I don't think. More to come. Oh my gosh, this thing stinks. Twin turbocharged V6. That turbo is like when the turbos spool and it takes off. This car is unreal. Go, let's see it. That's the most beautiful soundtrack in the world. Two V12s flat out, straight piped. I think, Rich, we gotta catch up. We gotta catch up. Let's show this poor performance how it's done. This thing is so fast. Goodness. That Aventador looks so sick on the road. This car is so mean. That thing sounds ridiculous. And I just love that view of the side mirror. And of course, we got Mikey in the RWB. This guy, Luke, I let him borrow the Aventador. Oh, he's driving gingerly. Let's see it. Let's see it. Go. that just reverberated under the semi truck. This is why I'm gonna be deaf later in life, but it's worth it. Bro, you don't want Rich in the GT. The Lambo's fast. Jeez. That SV is gone just like that. I'm telling you guys, when I sell the Veyron, I think we gotta replace it with a Ford GT. We have to. This car is so sick. The values are so strong. The car is so revolutionary, and it's so fast. Let's go! This is legit, like, worst case scenario. We have Luke, we have an underpass, like, this is his first time. Look at that smile. That evil laugh. Oh, there it is. Evil laugh. The thing about the Ford GT, it's like the silent killer. Those Lambos are so crazy loud, but this car, once the turbos spool, we are gone. Oh, that's wheel spin. That's wheel spin with 99.9 miles on the GT. We kind of sort of embarrassed the Lambo, which is awkward because it's my car, but it's okay. So a couple things. Luke did not crash the Aventador, so shout out to Luke Terry right there. That Ford GT is dope. If we sell the Veyron, if somebody watching today's video wants to buy my Bugatti Veyron, $1.35 million. That's actually a deal because values are still going up. I'm gonna buy a Ford GT. That car is so sick. In other news, we're taking the Gladiator 6x6 on a supercar cruise with some more homies. I've never taken the Jeep with supercars. I don't think it can keep up, but it looks dope. Take two. I broke it. Oh, really? What is going on? There we go. We're fine, okay? It's a Jeep. You're never gonna guess. We're late, and this time, I don't think it's gonna make up for it. We're still gonna be late. She's slow. She sounds good, but she's slow. I'm telling you guys, like, Utah never ceases to amaze me. It's the 15th of November. It's 64 degrees out. Oh, that's a lot of people. This is so dope. There's so many cars. We got the 570S. We got the 720. Ooh, a Murcielago. That's sick. Look at the color on that Turbo S. I think that's Mexico blue. Imagine the 458 Liberty Walk in that color. RWB. Mikey, where you at, bro? I think we brought the wrong car to the event. We're not gonna be able to keep up. We're gonna look cool, but we're not gonna keep up. I don't know what it is about these Porsche guys with their triple wings, bro. Do you really need that much downforce? Save some for the rest of us. Unbelievable.
Bro, this is for sale.
It is for sale.
You should buy this.
Should I buy a Porsche?
Yes.
How much? How much?
Not
Give me a deal. Give me a friendly
We got
deal.
it. I'll take care of it.
Oh, we're gonna take care of. My guy, the RWB. We have these British cars here in the back with their snorkels. Mike, bro, you sold a Lambo to buy a McLaren.
I had to do it. I'm sorry,
What
man.
were you thinking?
Sorry.
I'm just kidding.
It's so fast.
Dude, congrats,
It's so
man.
fast.
And it's got the carbon roof with the snorkel.
50 G's.
Dude, be safe out there. Oh, don't hit the brakes in front of the Jeep. The purple Jeep, he can't stop. He's an idiot, he cannot stop.
I'll avoid it.
All right, see ya. That RWB is so dope. Maybe that should be my first Porsche, 1995, wide body. What, 140, 150,000 bucks maybe? Well, I realized bringing the Gladiator 6x6 to a supercar drive was the wrong idea. It's kind of like a sumo wrestler trying to run on a cross-country event. You love the enthusiasm, he just doesn't have the endurance. Well, unfortunately, I don't know how to say this. Everybody is about 10 miles in front of us. We messed up, we made a mistake. So yes, unfortunately, I've learned my lesson. The 6x6 could not keep up in more ways than one. The gas tank is on empty, and we also could only go 80 miles an hour, so yeah, I don't know what we're doing or where we're going or... Go to the moon! I think we just ate through 4 gallons of gas. Would you guys rather see me buy a 720S or like an 812 Superfast, another Aventador? That car is so dope. I don't know, maybe it's time for me to add another McLaren to the collection. That thing's sick. 720S, one of the fastest cars you could buy, and you can tune that up to like 1,100 horsepower. You see, boys, I've stood at the footsteps of Niagara Falls. I've been to Banff National Park in the beautiful Canadian wilderness, and I would reckon that the Texas Roadhouse here in Sandy, Utah is unequivocally more beautiful. So I just had an epiphany, maybe the best idea I've ever had. We already have one off-road vehicle that is effectively useless. What if we had a second one? So this idea like just came to me. So if it's a bad idea, bear in mind I came up with it 5 minutes ago. Luke didn't like the idea initially, but after a little bit back and forth talking,
Now it's sick.
it's sick, it's sick. So a Rolls Royce, not a limousine, a Rolls Royce drop head coupe, so a convertible that has 4 seats. The boys, we can go rip together. You lift it, you put mud terrain tires on it, full long travel suspension, full roll cage, light bars, a winch.
37s or 40s.
That's dope.
Could you imagine?
I know, could you imagine? Yeah. Could you imagine jumping it? Or we'd have another completely ineffective off-road vehicle, which is also kind of sort of cool. And on that bombshell, I also could buy a C7 and wreck Stefan. That's right, boy. Stefan, if you're watching today's video, my GTR is almost done. It's gonna have 1,400 horsepower. The more I think about this Rolls Royce build, the more I like it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below, or if you have a cooler idea, let me know. Roadhouse, sorry, you guys can't come with. Today's video is over. I was specifically instructed to film you getting out of the SV. I'm sorry, bro. Rich told me we have to.
Dude.
How long is it gonna take?
This is gonna take a hot minute, dude.
Bro, it fits you though. You're a Lambo guy.
Thank you.